I went my hair transplant through Medlinks 6 months back. This is my 6 months result. So this is Vishal Saxena. I went my hair transplant through Medlinks 6 months back. This is my 6 months result. I got to know about Medlinks through one of my friend. I checked their social media page. The results, they were amazing. So I gave a thought to check it out. I came over here. I called them. They were very welcoming, very warm. I met Dr. Gurang. He's an amazing guy, amazing person. He suggested me how many grafts should I go for, and was he explained me the whole procedure very well. And after that, I was very confident to undergo, because before that I was like, yeah, I do have some of the hair problems or something. But after that, I feel very confident, and the results, as you can see, it's amazing. And hopefully, I will get better results in upcoming months. I would recommend, if anybody wants to go a hair transplant, they should visit Medlinks first, and I think they will not go any other place. That's for very sure, very sure.